Good morning, my dear students. I am Neha Sharma, your social science teacher from DAV Police Public School. Today we are going to start Revolt of 1857 History chapter of class 8th. In our previous video, we have discussed about the background of the revolt of 1857, introduction, important places and leaders, and in today's video we will discuss about the causes of the revolt. After Meerut and Delhi, the revolt spread all over the part of India. So there are so many causes of this revolt. First, we will discuss about the military causes. Okay. The sepoys had helped the Britishers to establish their empire in India, but instead of receiving award or promotions, they were always humiliated by the Britishers. This is the one reason, and I also want to tell you what is the meaning of sepoy. Actually, sepoy means soldiers, but the Indian soldiers were called sepoy by the Britishers. The Britishers always do discrimination between the Indian and the British soldiers. The Indian soldiers always get less pay. Okay, and the Act 1856 made it compulsory for all new Indian recruited sepoys to serve overseas. It hurts the feeling of soldiers, as Hindus believe that overseas travel would lead to the loss of caste. It means it is against their religion, so they don't want to go to overseas, but it is compulsory for them if they will join the British army, so they have to move to overseas. Next we will talk about the political causes of the revolt 1857. As we have already read about the soldiers, the Indian sepoys were dissatisfied with the treatment meted out to them, similar with the common people also. Now they wanted to end the foreign exploitations. At the same time, Lord Dalhousie's policy of doctrine of lapse create fear among the Indian rulers, because they were not allowed to adopt heir to the throne. If they did not have their own natural child, the kingdom would be taken over by the Britishers after the death of the king, right? There are few examples also. Nana Sahib, adopted son of Baji Rao, and Lakshmibai was not allowed to adopt this son. So these are the few reasons that gave birth to the revolt of 1857. The Britishers signed many treaties or sandhis with the king and nawabs, and they changed it according to their convenience. So at last, what happened? Gradually, the Indian nawab or Indian kings lost the trust in the British. They give high profile jobs only to the English man, not to the Indians. So this is one of the most important reason. Okay. Yes, next we will talk about the economic causes of the revolt. So first of all, drain of wealth. It means the constant one-way flow of wealth from India to England. It is known as the policy of economic exploitation of Indians. And next was the zamindari system. It was exploited the peasants or the farmers of India, who were forced to grow only those crops that the British industries required. This is the one reason, and other was the common people faced unemployment and poverty, right? And the when the Awadh was occupied by the British, the Nawab's officials and their army was dismissed by the Britishers. About 60,000 professional soldiers lost their jobs. This is all about the economic causes. Now we will talk about the social and religious causes. Okay, and the first reason was that Britishers introduced Western education and encourage Indians to conversion or to Christianity. All these methods of the Britishers created discontentment among the natives, and they wanted to get rid of the foreign rule. Many social reforms like Sati Pratha and Widow Remarriage Act, these were considered an interference in the custom and tradition of the Hindus. At that time, the Hindu law of property was also changed. So these are the few reasons that are known as social causes. of the revolt of 1857. So now if we will talk about the religious causes, the only main reason was the Hindus and the Muslim forced to change their religion into Christianity. Beside all these causes, there were few immediate causes of this revolt of 1857. Now we will discuss about it. The main immediate reason was the cartage of new Enfield rifle, which were suspected to bring coated with the fat of cow and pigs. Right, it became the immediate cause of the revolt because both the Hindus and Muslims refused to use these cartage, and Mangal Pandey was the first to do so. So these are the causes of the revolt 1857. That's all for today. Next we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much.